Flawless. We have one spot left in a cereal. Somebody drop a 1. Well, it's almost baseball season. Good time to hop back in. Probably gonna need another size top loader too. Loomies is your fave, huh? Who's dropping the 1? Who's just doing it? Should I start carrying around a briefcase? Could be a move. Jimmy's a hero. All right, these are our numbers. Good luck. Keep taking your future flawlesses. Remember, there's 2 briefcases per flawless case. Whoops. And take your future luminaries. Dice roll is a 9. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any 101s to Richie. New life. Let me add your credit before I forget. What's up, Axios? I love the confidence. Speak it into existence, baby. Been reading some very good stuff about Jackson Jobe. All right, new life. I added your 25. Stacking the points over there. All right, our first look at Flawless. Good luck. I'm going to turn this around so we can't peek inside. I'm going to grab the inner box. And we have our Mags cards in there. Good luck! First box of Flawless. Take your PYT2s. It's the second briefcase from this case. I did run the serial, yeah. Our numbers are there at the bottom. Once we hit a serial team, we'll put it back up. I'm probably going to need a different size mag. Different size top loader. But we'll see as we go. Our first card is a quad patch piece of Reggie Crawford for the Giants. 3 of 25. One color, a couple 3 colors. Numbered 3 of 25. Reggie Crawford looks like he's pitching there. I think he's one of those dual position guys. Let's see, is this going to go in here? Let me see, is this going to be here? That's more like it. This next patch is nasty for the Phillies. Look at this Jimmy Rollins. Holy. Look at that stitching. 3 color, red, white, and blue. That's numbered to 7. It's a serial. That goes to the 5 slot in the serial. Jimmy. Maybe that last spot mojo paying off early. 5 of 7. Disgusting looking Jimmy Rollins. Jimmy for Jimmy. Our first auto of Flawless is Cooper Jerpy for the Cardinals. It's number to 20. It's another serial. That one goes to the 8 spot. For Razor Rose. Cardinals pitching prospect, Cooper Jerpy. Behind that, we have another pitcher auto. It is Gavin Williams for the Guardians. That's number to 5, the Emeralds. Gavin Williams is Cam V. I like Gavin Williams and Bibby. Indians always know how to breed their young pitchers. Got a patch auto of Andrew Jones for the Braves. It's a serial again. That goes to the 2 spot for John Zilla. Serial is hitting. 3 serial hits, 5 cards. That one's a bit thicker. And we have another serial hit. It's Elijah Green. That goes to the 6. Serials are getting spread around. Elijah Green goes to Rick. I said the Nationals have a very deep checklist in this stuff. Serial's going bananas. Another one. Another serial. It's Ryan Howard for the Phillies. Goes to the 6. Back-to-back hits for the 6 spot. Rick. Sorry it's so loud back there. It's annoying. For the Cubs, we have an auto of Ryan Sandberg, number to 20. Meadowman. They are building another room. Nice looking Rhino. And the last card of the inner box is Senior, Vlad Senior for the Angels. TJ. That was a crazy serial box. What was that, 5 serial hits? You talking about yourself, Austin? You running? Where you running to? All right, let's see how we do this again. It's been a minute on Flawless. I'm gonna bring this in, pull it out, and we can sweat. Hopefully I'm picking up the diamond here, not the auto, but if it's the auto, it's the auto. It is numbered 4 of 20. Got some 420 mojo. Dual pick. It's a dual. Dual diamond of Ortiz and Pedroia for Dave-O and the Red Sox. Pretty sweet one. Poppy and Pedroia, 4 of 20. And then I think there's just one more card inside. Probably right here. Let's take that, put it down, swing this around. Oh, there's another card in there. There's one more card in there. It is a Diamond Piece USA Tyler Soderstrom. It's a serial, goes to the 2. The 2 spot gets that one. John Zilla. Because Soderstrom is obviously an A. Only team he's ever been on. Definitely got more than 10 cards in this box. Dude, that... so annoying. All right, our encased auto. It all comes down to this. Looks like it's going to be a horizontal. Baltimore. Jackson Holiday is our first encased auto of the day. A banger. D-Rock is having an absolute day to remember. Crushing Luminaries now gets a Holiday at a Flawless. This kid is selling off the charts right now. There's our diamond guarantee. We got our keys. Got the keys. There's not going to be any beat the sorts from Flawless or Luminaries because all the breaks are just going to beat the sort, kind of similar to Icons. There's not that many cards, so it could just be sorted right away.